Welcome back to the short, probably very short episode of Olaf's Oldtimer. Still working on the issue with the non-working left speaker. What can I tell you? Episode 1 couldn't be published. Well, it was published by me, but not by YouTube, because I had the radio on testing the speaker. Obviously, I violated copyright with that, so it wasn't published, and I had to re-edit it all again, taking out the noise of the speaker works. So I think this whole video is great nonsense. However, very fast, this new speaker set was shipped, and I will just connect it to the left side, turn the radio on, see if it works. Either you'll have success, well, I'll have success and can present that to you and install those speakers on both sides. But as I can't put on camera how the radio works because I don't have a generic song on tape I could use for publishing this, it probably will just be a very short update today. But let's see first if we see a happy man, that indeed the thing works, because if it doesn't work, it means, of course, the cable from the radio to the speaker is broken, or the radio itself is damaged, and then I need a new radio. Anyway, it means radio needs to come off, and so on and so on. So please keep your fingers crossed with me. I connect the speaker in no time at all, and then see if it works, and that would be just perfect. Of course, I want to show you the fine product, how it looks like. Those original Alpine SXE 1025S. Sound won't be superb because it's a tiny little speaker, but that's what fits, and I really want to keep this car in original condition. Wish me luck. Fast and easy, but totally unsuccessful. I'm convinced this is in fine condition, and it is a great fit into the housing, but no sound at all. So it's the cable or the radio, or the connection between cable and radio, and no task for today after work. I mean, good investment. I need the new speakers anyway, but that's a future task. So you know where we are. We have new speakers and new work to do. So have a great day, stay safe and healthy, and I will keep you updated. See ya. Dang, I'm too late. Spent all day at work, came home late, and plan was that my friend Thomas and I, that's what I thought, were to check out the radio together and fix it. And he was here before me. So now, as we can see, he's gone. Look at this. Look at these seats. Cool, or? So, the car is fogged up totally, and obviously it did rain. I do have a radio here. The lids are closed, and I do have the big issue now. I can't demonstrate the radio working, because you will hear radio song or music from a cassette, which is also probably protected by its creators and would be blocked. I haven't checked it yet. I will turn it on now, and then I will let you know how good it is, but you can't listen to it. I'm sorry. I had the radio going. Well, it's not a super hi-fi Harman Kardon something. It is still just an old radio, but both speakers are on, totally satisfied. A bit sad that I couldn't just more or less watch Thomas fix it. He said the issue was actually not really the speakers, which were in bad condition, as you could see. It was not the radio, it was a connector in the cable between, actually the radio plug and the cable, which had been attached unprofessionally, not by me, not by Thomas, and that caused the issue. Well, new speakers installed, and I'm happy, and not a lot left to fix on this car. It's just fine. Well, we have some stuff in the paint to repair. Maybe I have to revisit the fix of the sealing from the trunk. As you may remember, I sealed or resealed the left rear light, and I think I have to do the same with the main sealing of the lid, of the trunk lid, and the rear bumper is a bit askew, so that needs fixing. But that's all cosmetics. Car is in perfect condition, radio works, everything is fine. I'm super happy, and now waiting for some good weather to come up so we can pull up the car, which is residing behind this wall. See you guys. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.